Just like the last video I did, I just wanted to come in and give like a real-time update. I'm in love with this wig. I don't know, sometimes you just gotta get dolled up to feel like your hair or whatever outfit you have on, like it's incomplete if you don't have like something going on. But the wig looked fine in the video. I was tripping, but girl, a whole new person. This wig is a 10 out of 10. The price is amazing. It doesn't tangle. I don't know if I mentioned if it tangled or not in the video, but it doesn't tangle at all. Shedding is pretty normal, if you can see any. Nothing crazy. So yeah, hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Amazon wig with me here today, and I'm going to be reviewing it and telling you guys how I like it and all that and all the deets. So this wig was sent to me by their Instagram is Icy Queen Hair, and if you guys didn't see my other highlighted wig video, that was from them too. But on Amazon it says Lative Wigs, and that's what the tag says again. And this wig has bangs, but this wig was only $18, but we'll get in all those specs in a few seconds. So this is the packaging. Thank you so much to this hair company, Lative Wigs, for sending me this hair. As you can see, their Instagram comes on the card. It comes with the wig cap. We're finally doing real wig caps, so yes to that. Thank you card. And this is the beautiful number. I'm just gonna, the description says that it's a Lative long wavy wig with bangs, women, black long wavy curly synthetic wigs for women, and it's heat resistant. It's a heat resistant fiber hair wig. This wig is synthetic, so let's just put it on. Very shiny, but like a good shiny. It's the light reflecting off of it. Let's turn off the light real quick. Like it's a really nice, healthy, normal human hair like shine. These waves are really nice. Turn this back on. I'll put all the wig deets and the link to the wig in the description. The bangs are just there, like little fringe, just not like a full bang. This is the cap construction. It has two combs up in the front, adjustable straps. This wig is just not me. I don't know. Bangs are pretty long, but just pull the wig back a little. I don't know, maybe if it was, I don't know. This wig is just not, it's not me. The wig cap showing, but maybe it's the bang ain't me, girl. What the hell? It's a nice wig. Oh, maybe if I brush these waves out. So it's not tangling yet, and oh, I actually really like it brushed out more because it's like it tames the frizziness. And this wig is not tangling. Like it was a little hard to run my hands, but there's no tingling. There is a few strands of shedding. Can you see that? Yeah, just a few strands, but even your real hair strands, even your real human hair wigs and your hair on your head sheds. So yeah. I should not have brushed out the bangs. It's just this wig cap that keeps showing. Maybe I need to pull it up more. I don't know. Watching the video now, I really like the wig on me. Like, I think I look so pretty with it on. I don't know. Like, sometimes wigs just have to grow on you. Like, a certain new hairstyle, you're not going to feel automatically. But I really like this wig. It was so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Yeah, I would feel this wig so much more if it was straight. not feeling her right now. I'm thinking about straightening this wig right the F now. So curly, it is a nice wig. It's really soft and cute. I feel like if you want a good quality cosplay wig, this is it, because it doesn't look plastic and flimsy. It's really high quality for only $18. But if you have like a character and this is like the perfect wig for them, go for it. But like a beauty wig, nah, I don't know. Ooh, I love seeing girls with bangs that like cover right here, but I think this wig would look so much better without a wig cap or with a black wig cap, so it could blend in with the hair. Yeah, because every time this wig cap keeps showing, it's bothering me. But I love when girls have their bangs above their eyebrows. It's so cute. So I'm gonna straighten this wig because I'm not feeling these waves. I really love it way more with like the bangs above my eyebrow. Yeah, I love it so much more with the bangs above the eyebrows. I'm not even gonna straighten it anymore. But this is, I don't think it's a wig I would wear out, honestly. Yeah, it's not me. It is really cute though. Oh yeah, let me style it like that. Like with wigs, you really gotta just play around with them. But this wig just ain't me, but it's really nice and it's really high quality for only $18. And I'm really happy that the wig company decided to send me it. This is a really good alternative for like a cosplay wig, because I think this would just look perfect for like a costume, but I'm not a cosplayer, so I don't know what character would fit perfectly with this wig, but it's really nice and I like this little style I got going on. This is really cute. So thank you again, Lative Wigs, for sending me this wig. I would recommend anyone to buy, especially beginners who don't know how to do lace and all that. And they have a whole bunch of other wigs that they do sell. And if you're looking for a really good affordable synthetic wig, this is it. Like, there's no tangling. The shedding was minimal. The shipping was really fast. It's on Amazon. Yeah, like I really do like this wig. Like somebody whose style it is would rock this wig better than me. This wig is very beachy. Let me take this wig cap off because it's really ruining the wig. It's big bags. Why do I like it now? It's like every time I move the bangs, I like it even more. It's big bags. And the curls just like are so nice. So yeah, that's my review on this wig. Yeah, if you want to wear a wig cap, wear a black wig cap, or no wig cap at all. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.